Success does not come to you. You chase after it. To Honorable Rodrigo P. Puebla, the Education Committee Chairman of the Municipality of Compostela, Mrs. Hasmin F. Mojado, our school principal, municipal and barangay officials, school administrators, teachers, guests, parents, fellow graduates, a happy morning to one and all. Happy morning. Yes, we all wake up today to witness this one momentous event of our lives, our graduation day. As I sat there with the graduates, I felt very deeply elated. I rolled my eyes and started moving my head up, looking at the school buildings and grounds, the classroom, the pupils, and I said to myself, how could I ever forget this place? It seemed it was just yesterday when I first stepped into this educational institution. And now, I am standing here to deliver my success story to all of you. It was 2 years ago when I began enrolling myself here at the Central School. I was a transferee back then from STEC Lapu-Lapu, and I could not figure out how the pandemic took away my chance to gain new friends and meet them face to face. Though the online classes went on smoothly, I met my teachers and classmates through Google Meet, but I never had the opportunity to go to normal schooling and get along with them. Fast forward to the limited face-to-face classes, and from there, I rooted my mind to this idea. Someday, I will end my elementary days fruitfully and leave a legacy. And this is what I meant, leading the elementary department as the SPG president and putting on my graduation speech in front of you on behalf of the entire grade 6 class. However, all these will not be possible without the very important people behind our back, who painstakingly endure everything just to carry us in achieving our goals. First, to the school, to the administrators, for all the facilities and the amenities that we enjoy, for the comfortable strolls in our campus because we feel always secured whenever we are here in school. And to the Municipality of Compostela, headed by our very own Municipal Mayor, for our one-tap-away assistance and full support every time we need you. Thank you so much for your unending support to your constituents. Next, to my teachers, for instilling us always the knowledge we need, and for reminding us that education is crucial as we go along to fulfilling our dreams. To our advisor, Mrs. Jonalyn B. Cañete, for being there, spending the rest of her nights completing our school forms and being our second mother away from home. May I request all teachers here present to stand. Can I also invite all the graduates to shout, "Thank you, teachers!" Can we do that all together? Wala pa galit. Okay, let's say it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, teachers! Let's give them a resounding applause. Okay, Mana. You may now take your seats. We know, teachers, that our applause and the thought of expressing our gratitude may not be enough to repay you with all your stresses you got from us. But know that we truly appreciate every little thing you do just for us to succeed. For the nth time, thank you for burning your midnight candles for all of us.